Right now we happen to be in design view. We're going to go ahead and click on view and go back to data sheet view. And under data sheet view, I'm going to go ahead and go between these columns and expand a little bit just so we can see. I click and hold my mouse so we can see what we're headed at. And now it said start in the project ID field, which is right here, and add the following 3 records to the new table. So you've got, I'm going to type the first one and then pause the video and type the rest. I type P356. Do notice that our pencil is here saying that we're making changes to these rows. I'm going to hit tab, and under building project I'm going to call it student center. Then I'm going to hit tab, and under site I'm going to call it 3-story, and then under contract I'm going to call it Northeast Campus, and then under budget amount Alright, I just wanted to talk about this real quick. There was a column of data that said how many stories, but only for 2 of the 3 files. So what I decided is that that wasn't relevant, and that we're doing Northeast Campus, and you can see that the site is by the RR Construction. So I'm sorry for the confusion, and we'll see how it goes. I've got 6145012 and once I hit enter, you'll notice that the pencil tab has gone off the field, off that entire row of data, and that data has been saved, and we're now down here on the second row of data. So this is how I decided to present the data. You can do what works better for you, and we'll finish filling out this row of data and go ahead and be back on the video here in a second. Alright, our rows are filled out, and I'm going to go ahead and go in between our columns, double click, and Access will automatically resize the field so the information goes in and easy to read. We got our data in the wrong place right here, so we're going to move our data of dollars and cents over. There we go. And now we have step 4 completed. Step 5 says to save the table as projects. There's several ways to save the table. You can right click on the tab, click save, but we also need to rename our project because we went and saved it when we were moving around in views earlier. So I'm going to close this, and you'll watch. Our table 1 is over here in our all access objects. I'm going to right click and go down to rename, and I'm going to call our table 1 projects. Hit the enter button. That table has been renamed. You can see that it's the same table. I'm going to click X over here, and it's under our all access objects, and step 5 is complete.